Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, we will present an abstract of research with the title Utilization of Pineapple Leaf with Ananas cosmosus as Adsorbent of Heavy Metal Chopper by Novi, Mayangsari, Mirna, Apriani, and Egata Veptiyan. Presented by me, Ilul, Zakiyah, Rahmatika,
and Devi Ayu Rahmawati. Definition of the term in the title thereof, pineapple leaf waste. Pineapple leaf waste is the rest of the pineapple plantation harvest that is thrown away and not used. Absorbent. Absorbent is substance that can absorb a component such as odor, taste, color, and chemical compound from a fluid. And then heavy metal. Heavy metal are metal indissolved and suspended from and have a density of less than 5 grams per centimeter cubic. And then also Cu or chopper. Chopper is a metal that has a cubic crystal form and is basically yellow and the ore is pink. For background in this research is the increase in industrial development is proportional to the increase in the existing waste. This industrial waste can cause harm to human and the environment if disposed of without treatment. The type of waste that is difficult to control and has a great potential of danger is inorganic waste. This waste contains the toxic compounds such as heavy metals. If the amount that enter exceeds the threshold into the body of living things, it can cause health effects for humans, such as being the cause of allergies, mutagens, teratogens, or carcinogens. Some heavy metals that are very dangerous for the environment, including copper. One method to reduce the content of heavy metal Cu is the absorption method. Absorption method, which is the process of collecting a material on the surface of solid absorbent. In the absorption method, the selection of the absorbent is the most important factor. The absorbent used is expected to reduce metal pollution heavy, has low economic value, easy to obtain, and does not harm to the environment. In the pineapple plantation in Zakiyah, Pongo district, Blitar Regency, East Java, a lot of pineapple leaf waste has not been used optimally. Pineapple leaf contain lignin and cellulose, which are suitable for use as absorbent. Therefore, pineapple leaves are expected to be used as a natural absorbent to reduce chopper heavy metal level in worse weather. For the next slide is problem and the scope. In this research, the problem to be discussed is utilization of pineapple leaf waste that has not been utilized optimally to be used as an absorbent material to reduce chopper heavy metal in worse weather. And the scope is the pineapple leaf waste use only came from the pineapple plantation in Zakiyah Hamlet, Pongo district, Blitar Regency, East Java. And then the chopper waste used in the absorption process is an artificial waste. Artificial chopper waste is an artificial waste made by dissolving chopper with a certain concentration in water. And then the discussion of this research is limited to the effect of contact time on the chopper metal absorption. And the last, the research was carried out in the PL-5A laboratory.
Okay, the next slide is action taken. To overcome this problem, the author used the absorption method with absorbent derived from pineapple leaf waste. Making this absorbent is done by crushing pineapple leaf waste that has been dried with a blender until it becomes powder. This powder was then activated with 9% natrium hydroxide with variation in activation time of 70 minutes and 90 minutes. The author in this study also used artificial chopper waste, which was made by dissolving 50 ml of 25 ppm chopper metal in various variables. And also the absorption process was carried out with an adsorbent mass of 2 grams and a stirring speed of 90 rpm for various times 30, 60, 90 and 120 minutes. After that, the solids and liquids were separated by filter paper, and the absorbance was measured using a UV spectrophotometer with a wavelength of 450 nanometers. Okay, the next slide is talk about result. From the figure, it can be seen that there are 2 features that indicate the types of adsorbents. It is absorbents with activation time of 70 minutes on the left and 90 minutes on the right. The 2 features both indicate that the percent copper metal removal tends to increase at the contact time of 30 minutes to 90 minutes. The longer the contact time, the higher the percent metal removal. It is because the interaction between the hydroxyl groups with the metal is increasing. At the contact time of 90 minutes, the activate group of cellulose with bind to the adsorbent is in optimum condition, so that it can remove copper metal to the maximum. And then the contact time of 90 minutes to 120 minutes, the percentage of copper metal removal decreased. This was because the adsorbent had been saturated, which resulted in the process of releasing the adsorbent again. It caused the adsorbent process to be reduced. Okay, the next slide is conclusion. Based on the result presented, it can be concluded that the absorption process, the optimum condition for present removal that achieved when using pineapple leaf cellulose absorbent with an activation process of 70 minutes with a contact time of 50 minutes. This is because in the 70 minutes activation process, the cellulose content in the absorbent experienced a greater increase than the 90 minutes activation process.
Okay, the last slide is advantages. Some of the advantages of this research are the absorbent material used is environmentally friendly because it uses natural ingredient, that is pineapple leaf waste.
Okay, the next advantage is reducing the amount of pineapple leaf waste that has not been used optimally.
Okay, maybe that's all from us and thank you for the attention.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.